If you don't have the playlist videos, definitely think about adding them just because they're really good to have. Like this first initial video can really focus on the person or the group and what the challenge or the issue or the problem is, and less about you and what you do, more about, okay, I want to pass on this knowledge, or maybe you're unaware of this. This the middle part of it would be the value. So it's either the information that you're giving, that's the value, or it can be a guide they can download below. And the last part of it is what action do you want them to take next? Do you want them to email you back? Click button below. I would say less than 30 seconds. You get right to the heart of the matter. And then you can always record a video one time about what you do, plays right after, it's probably a minute and a half, maybe I wouldn't go longer than that. We have 2 minutes here, but and it really is kind of like your pitch video. If you do have video testimonials, it's always nice to add them in here because people love testimonials. If you don't have them, definitely consider getting them with this reply with video button. We kind of mentioned this at the top. You can send someone a video, say, would love to get a video testimonial from you. Click the reply with video button below. You don't need to download anything. And then when they send it back to you, you just add it to the playlist.